It is a scene that has become the norm for court appearances by soca artiste Jonathan Ninja Dan St. Rose, a mob outside the courthouse. St. Rose left the courthouse to the shouts of murderer by family members of Dwayne Chubby James, the man he and two others are accused of murdering, but to words of encouragement and support from his own family and friends. Friday was the scheduled sufficiency hearing, a proceeding that determines whether there is enough evidence to bring a case to trial. But the prosecution, for the second time, asked for the hearing to be postponed. St. Rose's attorney, Lon Theophilus, says the reasons for this request were the same as the first.
An application was made by the Director of Public Prosecutions for an adjournment of the case, citing, I guess, similar reasons to what she had cited before when the case came up in March for sufficiency hearing. The judge, in fact, on this occasion gave a ruling with respect to those reasons being not substantial enough at this stage, but has reserved his decision in terms of the course that he's likely to take in relation to the matter till Wednesday, when he will look at a number of procedural aspects of the case and determine what is best, both in the interests of justice and also to ensure that there is fairness to the parties in the proceedings.
Reports indicate a fourth man who was allegedly involved in the case has become the Crown witness. The defense requested the witness be summoned in court on Friday, but he was a no-show, and according to Theophilus, there was no explanation for this. He says in another throwback to the previous hearing, the prosecution informed the court that forensic results in the case have not been received. But he maintains the case cannot be proven by forensics alone. He says factual aspects of the case are crucial.
Forensic is just one thing. There are also various factual aspects to the case, and I believe the factual aspects are more pertinent than forensics in a vacuum, because forensics can either establish that somebody was either there or not there. It is nothing definite about it. I mean, we've seen many cases in the past where forensic evidence have turned out to be very inconclusive. So I don't believe that this can be the sole basis on which they seek to rely, because in the absence of forensic, there must be a case of fact, which they have to try.
As for his client, Theophilus says he remains calm and is trying his best to cope with the situation. But he says, like anyone else with charges against them, St. Rose is looking forward to a justice system that is fair.
Calm, sometimes expectant, just needs to hoping that the wheels of justice will turn as he expects them to, and that either he has his day in court or he is vindicated from an earlier stage than we initially planned.
The defense team for the three men suffered a blow in February when High Court Judge Kenneth Benjamin denied bail applications for the accused. Lydel Blasse is represented by Stanley Felix, and Andy George is serving as counsel for Marvin Nelson. Alison Kentish, HTS News, Channel 4.